into our memory real quick to learn. When was the last time that you felt like you were just struggling, that nothing was gonna ever get better, but you got through it? When's the last time were you an emotional wreck, where your mind and your emotions were everywhere, but you got over it? And then let's think about the last time where we didn't even fathom a solution to a problem, but you got to it and you found one anyway. I want you to remember how strong you are. I want you to remember all the things that you've overcome. Because now when we look at problems in our life, we look at it with an intent to solve it, because we know we're capable. If we believe that this next problem or this next pain is going to be the end of it, then we become the victim and we live in that nothingness space. But if you know that you can solve it, then your mind goes from victim to conqueror. And I want you to believe in yourself. I want you to know that you don't ever have to give up, because you're always capable. You always can. I love you. Believe, never give up.